Hey guys, my name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois and welcome to Field to Flame. I'm with my buddies from Kingsford and Masterbuilt and I'm whipping up some easy grilling and smoking recipes for y'all. For this recipe, I got a simple side dish, grilled carrots, spiced yogurt, and toasted pistachios. The grill's set, I got my Kingsford original charcoal. Let's get cooking. First thing we need to do is make sure these carrots are clean and peeled. We're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of vegetable oil and then season them up with salt, pepper, and ground cumin. My Gravity Series 1050 is set to 400 degrees. I have these carrots on the sear side of the grate. What I like to do is just take this pastry brush and give it some extra seasoning of cumin, salt, and black pepper with that oil. These carrots are gonna grill for about 10 minutes, and that's why I love Kingsford Charcoal, because a consistent heat is so important for a dish like this one. So our carrots have been grilling for about 3 or 4 minutes, and time to give them a flip. Our grilled carrots are done, so now I'm gonna make this warm spiced yogurt to go with them. The garnish for this dish is some roasted salted pistachios that I'm going to rough chop. Plating for this dish is simple. It's yogurt on the bottom of the plate, carrots, pistachios, and you're ready to go. All right, let's take a bite. Smoky, creamy, tangy, a little bit of crunchy. I love that you can get so much flavor in a short amount of time. Could you roast a carrot in the oven? Sure, but the flavor just wouldn't taste the same without Kingsford Original Charcoal. Thanks for watching, y'all. Pick up your ingredients, your Gravity Series grill, Kingsford Charcoal. See y'all next week.